Hello everyone, Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak. So today we are on our way to the half desert road in Dubai, and we are going there to fly our drone.
We got a new DJI Spark.
So let's go. Yes, so I was able to take off, go a few rounds, fly this thing. It's my first time flying. It was great. I think I need a little bit more of practice and research on how to do the tricks on the drone, the ones that go like that, and the smooth cinematic shots. So Mayanti over here is trying to fly the drone, so I taught her a little bit of what I know. So let's see what she does. Take off. Woohoo! And she's doing it. So let me go over there and tell her how to do the control. So basically, this one goes up. This comes down. This one, if you say back, the other way around.
Okay.
And
We are
let's go.
walking.
Okay, follow it.
Wow. I have to remove those
attacking me. now it's gone, but lost. Can you track? Yeah? Tracking? It's coming? Hello, hello! What if I run? Let's see what happens. It's still coming! Oh my god! Alright. Yalla, let's go! I know! Like a spy. So this is awesome. Now I just want her to be the official drone operator when I use my GoPro. So we have finished our trip, very small short trip to the half desert road. We had lots of fun. We managed to fly our drone, as you would have seen on our footage, and now we are heading back home. It's a very dark and dangerous road. We got lost a couple of times because it's too dark. We are unable to see the road signs.
More than anything, it's dangerous because
did you see that? Oh my god.
we are driving a car. It's not a four-wheel drive.
Yeah.
So most of the roads are covered with sand. So far we managed to find one road which is not blocked with sand. Hopefully we'll be able to go to the highway.
We are almost there. Yes, we are here.
Thank you very much for watching our video. If you like the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And also, if you like our channel, don't forget to subscribe.